shelter. Here's in the cat room. There's Marmalade. Let's read down there. You can pause it to read it. Marmalade, dude, you got a bed right there. Get out of the litter box. There's L'Oreal. You gotta raise your head? Guess not. There's Becca in there somewhere. In the cat house. Okay, that didn't come out right. Here we Maggie and Taylor. And Taylor's out over there. And then, hey, there you are. How you doing, Maggie? Hi. You get the deluxe accommodation, huh? Oh, and there's your face. And Jed, how you doing? Okay, Jed, are you the one that bites? Huh? You the one that bites? Hope not. Well, that's it. Those are all empty. There's all the blankets from Savers that were donated. Hey, Milo. Hi. How you doing? Hi. Whoa. I don't see Spot in here. He might be wrapped up in this blanket. There's a picture. Spot, you in there? No, I'll get to you. There's Mello. Hey, Mello. Calm down. Hey, Pete. How you doing? Yeah? How you doing? Hey, Pete. How you doing? There's Kit. Hey, Kit. Hi. How you doing? Huh? Oh. There's a kitten. Found. Hi, how are you doing? I'm guessing you're probably feral. She's gonna dart out of the cage. A big, fluffy, orange one. Or yellow and white. Looks orange in there. Hi. Hi. Hey, Oreo. What are you doing? Hey, Casanova, how are you doing? Up? Yeah. How are you doing? Don't you scratch me. Yeah. Hi, Casanova. How are you doing? Yeah. Oh, ow, ow. That hurt. Hey, Winona. Hi. How are you doing? Get your face in there. Maybe somebody recognize you. Loki, what you still doing in here? Huh? Loki's been here a while. Going on 2 months. Hey, Loki. Yeah. Hey, Mittens. Hi. How are you doing, Mittens? Whoop, there you go. Hey, Reba, calm down. Warrior, you've been here a while too. Hey, Warrior. Yeah, Betty Blue. Hi. What are you doing? You gonna come up here? That's it for the cats. Yeah, it's a good thing they got lots of open cages here. That's a good thing. Come and get a cat, or if you recognize one, contact the owner.